Welcome to MixMasters Bar and Bev, where we make craft cocktails. It's the holiday season, so you need a holiday cocktail. What says holiday better than eggnog? Now we're going to use fresh homemade eggnog. If you don't know how to make it, go online. They're going to tell you to separate the yolks, season it with sugar and clove and nutmeg, and you'll come out with a batch like this. All right? Once you got that, you're done. All of it's prep work. You're gonna put about, I'd say about 3 ounces, 3 ounces of your mixture. We're gonna do 2 eggnogs. Some people like to drink their eggnog hot. I like mine cold. You know, I live down south. Put that in. 1.5 ounces of, we're gonna do Uncle Nearest. Shout out to Nephew Nearest. Jay Madison. Stir it up a little bit. Now you can use rum. A lot of people use like a spice rum or a cognac. But I'm using some fine Tennessee whiskey. All right. Now, cold one I'm gonna ice up. And we'll be done. We'll stir them up a little bit. Let that ice melt with that Uncle Nearest. And the hot one is easy. You're just gonna top it off with some nice hot cream. You wanna do cream, not water, unless you're on a holiday diet. Oh yeah. Stir that up, get that cream mixed up with your concoction. And then you have nice holiday eggnog. Put a little spritz of cinnamon on top of each one. There's your holiday cocktail. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Happy holidays.